All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I want to share with you guys what we picked up at Costco. Now, this run wasn't anything crazy. We literally needed to pick up a couple of essentials. So that is what we got. Yeah, but if you haven't subscribed, liked, or commented down below, please don't forget to do so. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Turn on that bell notification as well so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I picked up. All right, so I'm going to start out with something that we always pick up I would say every 2-ish months, but we always pick up some ground turkey. Now, a funny story about ground turkey from Costco, guys. It used to come in a pack of 6. I remember when I first bought this house in 2019, it was a pack of six for the price that you pay for now for 4. That is crazy. I freaking hate COVID. It ruined everything. But yeah, we got some ground turkey. So my daughter actually pointed this out. Yes, my 22-month-old baby, she was like, cookie? And I was like, huh? Oh my gosh, that is your cookies. She has been obsessed with these cookies, guys. And no lie, these cookies at Target are a lot more expensive than buying them at Costco. So this is a 30 pack, and each little pack has 4 cookies in it. And this was $14.99 versus the price that I pay for a lot less at Target. So yeah, I thought I would just quickly jump in and show you guys the difference. I get these at Target. Good thing my daughter noticed those. She was like, cookie, it was the cutest thing ever. Anyways, moving on, we did get some cheese. This is the cheese that we actually always get at Costco. They do have it at Aldi as well, but it's like $2 more for this size. We did get bread. You guys probably noticed we have a lot of bread in this house. But yeah, I love that at Costco. Like, you can get your bread, either you could buy the, like, I guess you could say already set little baggies with 2 of the same kind, or you can make your own little baggies. So we always pick one wheat and one like white bread. In that case, we picked the buttermilk bread. We did also get some bananas. Obviously, they're not ready. We did pick up some pears. My daughter absolutely loves pears. And then we picked up some fruits. It's always a hit or miss also with Costco with fruits. I think that's everywhere now. But we got some strawberries. I'm actually about to wash these, guys. We got some strawberries. I'm over here trying to hide from the camera because he's focusing on me. And then we also got some blackberries. These are my daughter's absolute favorites. So my husband was like, let's get 2 because I also love blackberries. So we got 2 packs of blackberries. My daughter's like right there. And then we also got some blueberries. We had a big pack. She actually devoured all the blueberries yesterday and blackberries. So we had to stock up on some vegetables. And then random, my husband had to buy this. He wanted some chicken. So I'm about to make him his lunch for tomorrow with this chicken. And then the last thing we actually did get, we got 2 cases of bottle of water, and we got some paper towels, which he has to bring in a little bit. But that is it. You guys, I honestly wash the fruits like 500 times before, finally being like, okay, this is good enough. So I wash it with this rinse that's supposed to be for veggies and fruta. So here I am washing. This is actually the 3rd time I do it. I try to be very careful, obviously, with these to not, like, mess them up or anything like that. But I keep doing it a couple times until the water comes back a lot more clear. And as you could tell, I don't know if you can, the water is definitely not clear yet. So I'm gonna keep washing this a couple more times. I always feel like the most ickiest is strawberries. Strawberries always look so disgusting. The water looks so nasty when you're cleaning strawberries. Anyone else? And yes, I do this with pears as well. Gotta make sure they're on hand and easy to give to my daughter. And my baby loves her fruits, so gotta make sure that they're ready for her. I really need to invest in a better like refrigerator storage for my fruits. Right now, these are actually from Dollar Tree. I really want to get a couple from Amazon. I just haven't, made that purchase yet. But I do like these. I just, I want bigger ones. I feel like I kind of have to crumble everything in. And I do put a tissue in the bottom because in case they are a little bit wet, at least they kind of have something to drain into, and it's easy for me to just take the top green part out and the tissue, just take it out. But you see, like this doesn't have enough room for the other one. Yeah, I hate that, but my controlling part of me is like, that's annoying. I'm still gonna do one and one, and then I might put the other one there, but we'll see. And again, these are from Dollar Tree. Again, I really need to buy some good stuff. Yeah, I'm dropping everything. Oh my goodness. And then in this little thing, I actually place all the fruits in the fridge, like apples, pears, or anything like that. I do put them inside the fridge. They last longer, and my husband, myself, and my daughter like cold fruits. I know, some people might think that's weird, but we do, and they do last longer in the refrigerator as well. So I'm just drying them off camera where you can't see me, and I just place them right there. So my husband and my daughter can just grab them whenever they're hungry. Well, my daughter can't grab anything, but she can tell us that she wants num nums and she wants an apple because she thinks apple and pear. I don't think she actually thinks that, because she actually says pear, and um, she knows how to say pear. She just still calls pears apples. Anyways, another point. But yeah, that is just how I store them. I don't know how other people do. I know my in-laws think that's weird that I put them all in the fridge, but I just want them to stay fresh as long as possible. And this actually goes in my pantry. Is where I place these guys. I only have a couple of Ritz left, which I didn't realize, which I'm gonna have to go pick up more because she really likes her Ritz cookies. Probably not gonna have room for all of them in here, but at least some of them are, nice and put away in our pantry. So when she says snack and points at it, I know what she wants. Yes, this is driving me insane, but it is what it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was quite short, but anyways, I still hope you guys enjoy it. The airplanes right now are insanely passing, like insanely. What's going on? Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys pick up at Costco and what is worth, looking for in price wise. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.